Everybody, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Happy New Year. I know it's about almost a week into January, but I had a little break with my family, so I am back now. It was nice to spend time and just, you know what, just relax. And now that the holidays are over, it's pretty much back to everything. So today I wanted to share with you my 2025 wish list, and then I'm also going to unbox what I'm wearing today. It's all Ralph Lauren that I got like a few months ago, but I got this mainly for the spring, which is hopefully coming up in 3 months. So anyways, let's get started with my wish list for 2025. So the first thing I have on it is a Kelly box calf Hermes bag, and I don't know, I think I want to go vintage, but not too vintage. I kind of wanted to go like my birth year, but the ones I've seen, I can't seem to find a really nice one. I actually do really like the box calf leather for the Kelly bag. And what I have in my collection in box leather is this Karl Lagerfeld in this fuchsia pink. It is just a gorgeous bag, and I believe I got this a few years ago from Farfetch, and as you can see, it came with a crossbody, which I've never used, and it also came with actually a really seems like a really nice dust bag, one of the better quality ones compared to my flap bags, my tweed flap bags that I've had. So yes, I love this this smooth box leather, and you can see his name is written across in silver here, and there's the handle. And when you open it, it's really not that much room. It only has one back pocket there at the back, but it is still a very, what do I call my my ladylike bags. And the other box leather I have is my Ferragamo. I can't remember, but if this is 2000s or late 90s, but this might be showing up black, but it is actually navy blue, a dark navy blue. The handle's in really good shape. The hardware's not too bad. And I actually have taken this this bag traveling with me, and I've really liked it. Here is the inside. Even though I'm not a fan of these dividers, you know, this one, the way it expands, it's really quite roomy, and it's very easy to do a crossbody. That's why I have the strap on it. And if you can see the little details here, that's showing up, this little chain here. I just love this hardware, this gold hardware. And then it just goes down like that. And there it is. So those are my two box leather bags that I've had, and I've always wanted a Kelly, so I just, yeah, that is on my wish list. What also is on my wish list is a Birkin 30, and I had a Birkin 35 in 2011. I did sell it, so it was just, for me at the time, it was just, I don't know, it was too big, and I actually got it at an estate sale. I kind of suspected it was real because all the date codes and everything matched up, but then when I got it checked out, it was just the best thing ever that it was an authentic Birkin. If I can find a picture, I think I might have one grainy picture of me. I think my daughter took it of getting out of the car, and that's about it in 2011. So the kind of Birkin I'm looking for is a Birkin 30. And I really like this color, blue paillon. I'm loving these bright colors. So that is on my wish list. My next bag on my wish list is the Constance Elan 25. And this color here is the Rose Tyrene, and it's in Epsom. And I'm not really a fan of Epsom. And oh yeah, before I forget, the Birkin I want in Togo or Clemence leather. But this one you're seeing right now, this Constance Elan 25, I actually don't mind it in Epsom, and the details, I mean, it's a gorgeous bag. And it is actually kind of a perfect size for me. So yeah, that's one of the bags. Next, next is the, I was just trying to find my Amazon one, but it's downstairs, is the Picton, and I want to get it in the Picton lock in the 22, and oh my gosh, when I seen this color, the rose shocking, it is so gorgeous. And I have, like I said, the dupe from Amazon, and I actually love it. And I think I said in one of my videos, oh, that's good enough for me, I don't need another one. But when I seen this color, and I visited the boutique a few weeks ago, and they had a black one there, but I could feel the leather. Oh my gosh, it was just so sumptuous. I love it. So, and when I seen this one, it's just, oh my gosh. And of course, the ones I'm showing you are all on the pre-loved market because I've gone down to Hermes Boutique, and I've gone online, and they don't have any of these in stock. So, I mean, not that I would get a Kelly Birkin online, but I have been a customer for over 20 years, but I'm definitely not a VIP, that's for sure. The next bag is the Bolide 31 1923, and I definitely want to get that one in a vintage bag. And I do want the 31. I don't want the 45 because that'd be more for travel. I mean, if I found a really nice one in 45, then, you know, maybe, but I would definitely like the 31 that I could use, you know, daily. And this one that I'm showing you here, I really like it. I mean, and I know they're very similar to the Alma, but the Bolide was actually first, and I believe it was introduced in 1923. So it's been around a long time. I mean, the Alma does have some more advantages. The handles go down. They come in, you know, they come in a variety of colors, and also they're easier to get. But like I said, once I started feeling these leathers again, I mean, I haven't had an Hermes bag for a long time. And I forgot how beautiful and just gorgeous and soft and supple their leather are. And this would actually be a perfect daily bag for me. Has enough room, can carry all my stuff, and yeah. So that's it for on my wish list for stuff I would like to get. I already told you the Takasha Murakami, and I did go down there. They had nothing left. It was really nice. It was chaotic down there. I was just basically in and out. They had nothing. I went online. Everything you can, like everybody else on YouTube, you can add to cart, but then it would say it would be like a 10-week waiting. So I didn't even bother to do that. What I did was I got them to notify me when it's in stock, because then when it's in stock, if it's I did 3 items, and I told you before, the bandeau, the Elma, and the agenda. But the agenda they actually didn't have online in Canada, so I don't know about that. But the others 2, I put notify me when in stock, so then I could get it, you know, hopefully when it comes in. So, you know what, we'll see. And if I don't, if I just, like I said, I can get a card case, then that's fine too. And if not, I'll just wait for the cherry collection. One more thing for bag charm I wanted to get is the Rodeo, the Pegasus. And I really like this Vert Comics color. They had that one on the pre-love market. That was pretty inexpensive. And then actually online, they have a peppermint, which is a bit lighter than this Vert Comics. So I'm kind of deciding which one to get. I do like both greens, so I don't know. We'll see. And that's about it for my 2025 wish list. And now I will have my daughter put the unboxing of this outfit that I'm wearing. It's from Ralph Lauren. I love Ralph Lauren clothes. I'm gonna stand up here and I'll show you. I'm back, and this is my outfit of the day. The white shirt, button-up shirt, is from, as you can see, Ralph Lauren. I mean, I love it. I love the collar. I like this logo, and I think it's cotton. It's a mixed cotton, so it's actually really nice. And these pants are a wide leg, and they're high-waisted, and they come with this little chain detail. I'll just go down here a bit. So they're very, very comfortable. And the only thing is I have to get them hemmed a bit. If I wear my 3-inch platforms, they're okay. But right now I'm wearing my very comfortable black UGG slippers, and they're just a tad bit too long, like maybe I'd say ½ an inch or so. So we'll see. But yeah, I really do like this outfit. Perfect for the office. And then I could wear this shirt also. I don't have to be so dressy. I could even wear it with jeans. That's it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.